Parrots mostly live in warm climates all over most of the world. Most species of parrots exist in Central America, South America, Australia, and Asia. Parrots are known as the most beautiful birds in the world. There are at least 350 species of parrots. They have curved beaks, strong legs, and clawed feet. Mostly parrots have bright colors. They can grasp onto their food with one foot and then move it up to their beak so they can nibble on it. They are known to be the most intelligent birds in the world. The species can copy the human voices. Many species are monogamous and spend their lives with only one mate. Pets commonly live longer than wild ones because they have fewer threats from raptors and diseases. The main predators of parrots are snakes, birds of prey, monkeys, and humans. Some species can live up to 60 years. Parrots are omnivores. They can eat meat and vegetables. Most parrot species rely on seeds as food. Others may eat fruit, nectar, flowers, or small insects. Most parrots can fly 40 to 50 miles per hour. Some may go much faster or slower. It depends upon the species. As lion parrots are also social creatures, they also live in groups of 20 to 30 birds. These social birds create specific sounds to communicate with their other mates. Parrots don't have vocal cords as humans. They use the muscles in their throats to direct the air differently, which allows them to mimic sounds such as a ringing phone, or creaking door. Parrots' chicks cannot see anything in the first 2 weeks. In the 3rd week they open their eyes. They took 1 to 4 years to become adults, depending upon the species they belong to. The female parrots are called hens. They can lay 2 to 8 eggs. Once laid, incubation will take 17 to 20 days. Incubation will begin when the hen starts to sit on the eggs. The female parrots start laying eggs at 2 years of age, even sooner in the small species. The hen stops laying eggs when they reach 10 to 12 years of age. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.